Today I'm going to show you how I make a cross-stitch pattern 100% pattern keeper compatible, no matter whether it's a paper chart or it's a digital picture of a pattern. To respect designer's copyright, I will, as an example, use one of my own patterns. For this process, I will use an image of the pattern. That means I will have to scan a paper pattern. I use the program called PaintJob Pro to work with pictures. I also use the program called Speedyxstitcher, and of course Pattern Keeper to check that the pattern is working in Pattern Keeper. Yeah, that's it. I start by opening the image in PaintJob Pro. Here I crop it as precisely as possible, right along the edge. And once I've marked the edges, I press Ctrl X and open this as a new image. This is one of the most important steps because precise cropping makes the onion skin function much more accurate later. Before moving on, I also note the stitch count, how many stitches there are horizontally and vertically. Then I save the image and open WinStitch. In WinStitch, I choose New Chart and then choose your design size. I enter the pattern size here, 50 by 50, and press OK. I enlarge the grid slightly to make it easier to work with. Next, I go to Appearance, Onion Skin, and Add, and select the image and press OK. Now the pattern appears underneath the grid. I open Onion Skin again and choose Adjust to fine-tune the alignment if the lines don't match perfectly. WinStitch opens with a set of default colors. I remove them first using Remove All Unused Colors, and then I only add the colors that actually exist in the pattern. When a pattern is simple like this, I normally don't change the symbols. For more complex patterns, it can make the work easier, but WinStitch often changes the symbols again when exporting to Pattern Keeper, so I usually don't spend the time on this. Before I begin, I save the project. I usually save after each color, or roughly every 100 stitches. I've lost hundreds of stitches before because the computer froze. Now I click all the red stitches. If the alignment shifts, I adjust it again using Adjust in Onion Skin. And when the red color is finished, I move on to the darker red. Here I accidentally click incorrectly, as you can see, and thereby I changed an existing color. First I will correct the stitch, and then I will open Onion Skin again and choose Do Not Change, do not overwrite existing stitches. Now I can work quickly, as you can see, even across other colors without changing them. I love this feature and I use it a lot, and it really saves a lot of time. So now I will fill in the rest of the colors and I will speed up the process. And now the whole pattern is done. you can see the onion. If you click that, you can see the pattern, and as well, if you click again, you see the mock-up. Now I will actually remove the pattern, not because it's necessary, but because I like to clean up. And now all that's left is for me to export it to Pattern Keeper after saving. So I'll go to File and PDF and choose Export to PDF for Pattern Keeper. Here I will enter the title as well as the designer, and when I have done that, I'll click OK and the PDF will open. As you can see, if you scroll down in the PDF, WinStitch has automatically calculated fabric sizes for different counts, which is very nice. I will now transfer the PDF to my tablet. Then I will open Pattern Keeper. I press the blue plus, select the PDF file and verify chart. And now I press the blue arrow and the pattern is ready to use. One final tip: if you go to the Pattern Keeper front page or the menu for the pattern, you can click those 3 lines and then you can choose edit chart info and use mockup as thumbnail, because that will give you the image as preview as the cover. Just take it step by step. That's how I would use this video myself. That's it. I hope you feel encouraged to try it out yourself. Bye.